Hello, my name is Keisha Paris. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome aboard. We're glad that you decided to click on our video. Many people love having a main color for lots of the kitchen items. Red is the main color that I've been using for a while. I figured the kitchen is a place of heat and the fire has red flames, so red it is. So if you feel me, you will love many of these items too. This is not the typical haul. You also get to see how some of the items can be used in your lifestyle. Now, let's flip right into this video. Let's focus on the home goods items. So this is a baking sheet with a rack. It's the Christmas version of it, and you can use it for many of your baking needs. Also, you can use it for stir frying and grilling in the oven. This is another one that I saw in the store, and I figure I'm gonna add it to the video so you can see what else they have in the store. And this is a larger one that I also saw in the store with a smaller baking sheet and a rack inside. And this is the one that I purchased and I took it home with me, and you just saw it earlier. These little baking pans are the cutest. I thought they would be perfect for baking little Caribbean sweetbread. Put them with other goodies in cellophane bags with a beautiful bow as gifts. It's from Marshalls, but as you know, Home Goods, Marshalls, and a few others are companies under the same umbrella. As you can see, I purchased this guy at the store and brought it home as well. This cake pan would make your baking so much easier. You just pop the bottom off and voila, you got yourself a beautiful cake with no sticking. This is another one where it creates a hole in the middle of your cake, and it's so beautiful. I often used to wonder, how did my mom get to have a hole in the middle of a cake? Now I know. And after you bake your cakes and breads, you have a cake or bread box to store them in. Keep them nice and fresh. While I was at the store, I saw this other one and I thought I would add it to the video so you can see what they have as well. This was an impulse purchase. You know, when you go to the store and you see something that brings nostalgia, you're like, you know what? I want this, it's so cute. But I returned it because I already had this that I already purchased from Target that I could use to decorate the kitchen. I was going to use the birdie to decorate the kitchen too, but it's okay. It's okay. And these are lemon and vanilla. That's why I purchased it in the first place. The nostalgia reminded me of our cute little birds. Unfortunately, lemon and vanilla passed away, which is so sad. And I'll tell you the story about lemon and vanilla in another video. Let's focus on the haul. You know when you go to the store for something else and then you found something else that you needed? This guy was one of those items. One of my sisters in the Caribbean, representing Grenadines, she loves baking. So when I saw this one, I was like, I'm gonna purchase this one for her along with this one that you saw for me earlier. And I love using glass containers to store my food. So when I saw these, I had to purchase them. And now you get to see how I use it. This was me experimenting making guava cheese that didn't turn out as cheese form. Instead of that, it turned out like that. And this is how the beginning process, real guava to make the cheese. So mommy, I failed on this one, but next time I'll make it better. And this is the other sets that I purchased, and I couldn't find the clip for the smaller and the bigger one. This is the medium size one, so I decided to show you this way. Oh, and I don't want to forget, these also can be used in the oven. So if you have small portion of food, that's perfect for that purpose. And this big, huge measuring bowl cup thingy, that's what I use to make my DIY products. And this is a teapot. I love making tea, like loose tea. So this is, I purchased from Home Goods a while back. And many of the items that you're going to be seeing in this video, I didn't purchase them at once. I purchased them like within a couple of years. And this is where you see that I make my tea. This is, you know, like in the kitchen, oh my God, the splashing, especially when you're frying stuff. So this item is perfect for that purpose. You want to bake your whole turkey, chicken, Caribbean salt ham. I know many of us love the salt ham from the Caribbean. I personally don't do salt ham like that, but I know many of us love that. So this is the guide to get the job done. I actually saw it at Home Goods first, and it keep on saying, purchase me, but I was like, no, I don't need you right now. Then I saw it at Marshall's and was like, okay, I'm going to take you home. This was already on the table with the Home Goods and Marshall's items. So I was like, let me add it to the haul as well. This is from D2. This is from Marshall's. It's a small utensil holder, so that's what I use to put my small utensils. Then I saw this guy, was like, oh my God, it's so cute. It's a gingerbread man. Bake the gingerbread man, and you got an extra baking pan to bake your Caribbean sweetbread and whatnot. This is for a brownie, baking your brownie, and other things like Cookware, which is made with cornmeal and pigeon peas. Then you add your chicken and veggies, and this is where I use it at an event as well.
Here comes the cake, the Caribbean fruit cake. Everybody's gonna eat. Woo! Let's do the honors of cutting the cake.
Okay, I cheated. I wasn't gonna let you look at red items throughout the entire video, so I added a splash of gold in there. I love gold, so I was like, why not? Beautiful baking cups and wrapping paper from Marshall's. As you may know, shopping at these stores in this haul is like a treasure hunt. They carry a few of the items, so you may go there on one day and find an item, then the next you find something similar. So I decided to share this content even if I purchased many of these items within the past few years. This doodle doo. I love the song of it. Doodly daddly da, doodly daddly doo. So I bought this specifically for Bella. Oh my God, the pink one is so cute, but I love red. That's the collapsible one, but I bought this one, the red one, for Bella, because when she's at home for safety purposes, she can use the microwave instead. And I got this one at D2. It's a cheaper price, so I returned the other one at Home Goods. This is also from D2. This you saw earlier, that's from D2. The rest of the towels are from D2, and we will be moving on to Burlington. Okay. This part is from Burlington. I got a little bit excited there, right? I guess the pink and red microwave lid did that to me, right? Anyways, you'll see how I use the pot for making my delicious veggies and popcorn, which we love on movie nights. And then I also make the caramel ones as well. You can see how I make homemade popcorn. I'll place the video in the description box down below and at the end of this video. And the cups I got from the Dollar Tree. I love roti, so when I'm heating up my roti skin or crust, I make the chicken and the veggies, but I would purchase the skin, and this is how I do it. I love cast iron pots, and you can purchase them from Home Goods. This is the Home Goods store, but you could also purchase them from Burlington as well. I love to say Burlington. This big pot is from Burlington, and I purchased this pot because I wanted to make a big pot of soup, and I didn't have any big pots, so I was like, okay, let me go to Burlington to get one to make some split peas, yellow split pea soup. And I made this for Thanksgiving meal 2023 for one of the tenant unions that I'm in. This is where I was at the event. They ate it up so quickly I didn't have time to video all of the ingredients in it. So this is a homemade version that I made for me and Bella. So you can see I made it with smoked turkey neck. It's so delicious and I love it to be filling. So yeah, this is it. These are perfect for gift wrapping, as you know it. The perfect duo to enhance your table with your drinks for your at-home events. I remembered using them at my birthday party, which you will see in an upcoming video. This is the red spoon that I use to serve the soup. It's a set. And like I said, I wanted to add other colors to the mix of things, so I figured this is a beautiful natural wooded color, so why not? This golden table runner you probably saw in my Christmas haul video. I wanted to show it again. It's from Burlington, and this one is from Home Goods. It had too many prints on it, and this one was much more simple, and it goes better with the decor theme. As you can see, it's too long, so I was like, this is perfect for the bar table. And I love vintage red cars, so I was like, why not add this to the video? It's red. Here you have the Aldi purchases. And together with these, we got more gifts to give. And then this guy has a friend. And this I purchased from Bobby's. I just wanted to show that as well. It's red, why not? Here are some other purchases from Bobby's. You saw the brownie pan that I purchased earlier. This was my first purchase, but then I returned it and I got the one from Home Goods instead. And these I just wanted to show that you can get at Bobby's as well from their store. I actually purchased the white one. And here I'm showing this meal that I had made, Alfredo chicken pasta meal going on here. And because I didn't have the item to show, you can see the pot spoon holder in the middle there, so that's why I add that content. So these pots are also from Bobby's. And I wanted to show how I use them to do my cooking. Why not? Delicious teriyaki shrimp. This I'm making some ground meat and veggies with pasta. I love doing meal prepping, so this is how I make it easier for me and Bella, and also to save money. Here is another shrimp meal that I made with chow mein, and this is pilau, one of our favorite West Indian meals, and this is I'm gonna use to make chicken parm. And then I just decided to add this as well. Meal prepping, lifestyle, easy peasy. And this is a big container. I pretty much use this to do like other things, but if you do a lot of heavy cooking, this is it for you. This is a extra towel that I also got at Bobby's. We are moving on to Amazon purchases, and with the Amazon portion of this, you're gonna mostly see like an unboxing, so enjoy. And if you have a small family like mine, it's just me and Bella for now, which is why I purchased this small barbecue stand. And this is how I use it at the side yard. And you'll see how beautiful I make the side yard in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that, my DIYs and stuff. And this is another purchase. This is a like a spice grinder. I love to make DIY products for my skin and hair. So this guy, I was blending DIY papaya seed that I dried for adding to my facial skincare products. And this is how I get it done. You saw the microwave lid earlier. Now you see the microwave that goes with it. Like I said, I pretty much purchased this for Bella. She's getting much older now, and sometimes she's at home by herself. So for safety purposes, I would prefer her to use the microwave. We don't really heat up our food in a microwave. I prefer heating up on the stove or in the oven. I find that the food tastes so much better, and that's a healthier way to go in my opinion. These you probably saw me using a lot to do my DIY for cleaning. So this is where I purchased them at Amazon. Now you know. This is a beautiful set which I use very often, especially the emulsifier to make my curl cream, our curl cream for our beautiful tresses, both Bella and I. I just felt it in my spirit to add that you heard me mention about DIY, skincare, hair care, cleaning, and even meal prepping. This is a great way in our lifestyle that we're able to save money, especially as a single mama. So I just felt that to mention that you can save in a savvy way just like that too. This is a speaker box that we use often, and you will see Bella dancing. You'd say you'd stay, but then you'd run.
It sounds really good. I love the sound. It's loud now. Bella loves Billie Eilish, so she's listening to that right now. You go, Bella.
Delicioso, nutritious and delicious kale drink. You got your green drink and your red drink from your watermelon, your yellow drink from your pineapple. So I supposed to use this to push the fruits down. Because it's so short, I normally would use the fork or the spoon to push it down. One day I decided to do that as I'm doing now. The spoon dropped in there and got stuck, so I lost the juicer. You'll see the other one that I purchased later on. We are going to be focusing on these guys right now. This blender I use in the kitchen, and I have a white one that I didn't show in this video that I purchased from Target. I use it mostly for doing our DIY hair and skincare products. I know that you saw the red spice grinder earlier. This is the one that I had purchased first, the white one, but I made another boo-boo and messed it up, so I lost that one as well. So that's why I had to purchase the red one that you saw earlier. This is the juicer that I had to purchase to replace the one that got damaged because of my own doing. So this is it. So enjoy. You know, sometimes you purchase something on Amazon or online purchase, and when it gets to the house, you're like, oh, I don't think I need it anymore. This was one of those items that happened to. I'm sorry, you had to be returned. Anyways, I wanted larger ones. It looked so big on Amazon, but it wasn't. Look at how small they were. So I got 3 larger ones at Burlington instead. Rolling in with Target. This red pot I purchased at Target, Rachel Ray brand. This is Chrissy Teigen. I just wanted to show some of what Target have when it comes to pots. So I like boiling water mainly in this pot, because then I would let it cool to purify it in our pure filter. This is how we purify our water for using in everyday use and for travel purposes. And this is a great way to save and to help the environment. Here comes IKEA. These beautiful candles smell so good, especially at this time of year and all year round. Here comes more towels. As you guys can tell, I love kitchen towels, and here is a blue set too. The silicone oven mitts and foldable shopping bag are game changers. The bag is a space saver, fits inside your bag or pocket, and this is another way to save and help our planet from plastic waste. Thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the video and took away lots of treasures. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on our next upload. Bye.